right, folks, with this West 2 Facebook Live update, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Ivanoff. We hope you guys are having a good Tuesday. We're almost at hump day. One more day to go, and half the work week will be over. Certainly some good news up there. I wanted to show you guys now the big picture here and let you see what's going on and what we're watching. We got a big weather maker across the upper Midwest, producing all sorts of active weather. We got this big ridge of high pressure now in the Gulf of Mexico. That is going to be building our way tonight, tomorrow, the next couple of days, giving us the hottest air of the season. Tracy, Beverly, Uhr, good to have you guys. If you like the heat, you're going to love the next couple of days. And then we have the Mother's Day forecast as well. I want to spend a little bit of time on that. Chris Pierce, good evening to you. Always good to have you in here, my friend. Rocky Malone has popped on in. Harry Vanderkamp, you are the man. There we go. So there's a look now at what is going on across the upper Midwest. Big severe weather day for Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, northern portions there of Kentucky. So we'll be watching that here locally. Linda Rush, good to have you right there. Have seen a few showers popping up here, right there in and around Astor, trying to spring up towards DeLeon Springs. A few little sprinkles there coming off Lake Apopka. The downtown area for now does look pretty quiet. Let's take a look at some cams here for everybody. Chris, I did not. I'll have to take a look at that. Thank you for the heads up on that. Sorry, busy day. I'll check that right now. Brian Keller and Ben Prince in the house. Good to have you fine young folks here. Let's take a look at Ocala. Southern. Yep, it's really him. That's right there, Trace. There's a look at the square. Nice and quiet. Lake Eola. Nice and quiet. A few clouds downtown. Not a whole lot going on. A few clouds midtown. Not a whole lot going on. Over towards the coast. Wendy Morgan, Vicky Tedlock, Diane Irene, Luke, Canada. Look at that shot there from New Smyrna Beach. Not a bad-looking shot whatsoever. Tavares. Quiet. World Center, a few clouds, no big deal there. Kennedy Space Center, nice and quiet. Melbourne, beautiful sunset. Over towards Port Canaveral from Rusty's. That's our shot there, looking good. Daytona Beach, the airport, and St. Pete. Oh, look at that gorgeous sunset there. Bill Keller, Diane Irene, Cindy Edwards, Linda Crook. Chris, gotcha. Yes. Linda, we're glad you're back. Thank you, Chris. I have it in there. Maria Baldridge, good shot. It's too dang hot and humid. KK, it's going to get worse before it gets better, so you best prepare. All right, temperatures here at the 8 o'clock hour. Still very, very warm. 85 in Orlando, 79 Titusville. Trina Connors, Geely Piaggio, Tina Oetting. Rocket tonight? Nope, no rocket tonight. We've got one tomorrow. Starlink. Not the Starlink, but the Falcon 9. Starlink we're waiting on to hear back from them. Gigi? It is, Geely. You're right. Well, check out these dew points. Valerius pre-eating, no doubt, Cindy. Dew point 65 to 71. Incredible. The wind speeds 5 to 15. The herd. There you go, Linda. You got me, girl. Her is hitting at maybe a few sprinkles here. Over the next few hours. We'll have to watch that. See how that plays out. Temps tonight. There you go. 67 Ocala, 69 DeLand, 73 in Melbourne. Plenty of mild temperatures tonight. Tomorrow. Geely, we just may do that. Ernie Richardson, KK McCullough, 71, 79, 88, 95. 95 to 3. Beach is going to be a place to be tomorrow. Dawn, Pharrell, Tremens. Hurricane season starts June the 1st, so it hasn't technically started yet, Geely. We need rain. Linda Ash O'Keefe. The pattern does look wetter next week, but not this week. Well, there's a look at Melbourne. Upper 80s near the 90-degree mark. So beachside looks pretty good. Jeannie Joe Rick Long. Where is the rain? I have not been talking about rain for Daytona. Not once this week. Alicia Ramirez. Hello, Tony French. Traveling to Boston on Sunday. It is going to be cooler. Yeah. No. La Nina creates more storms. Saharan, at least initially, may hamper it, but no, the answer to that question is no. Al Pacino, huh? All right, wow. Annie Marie, Diane Irene. There's your Boynton Beach forecast. Monterey Chop, wind south 5 to 15. Cindy Edwards, I'm off tomorrow. Wish I can go to the beach. Johnson Joy. There we go. High builds to the east. Models are hinting at maybe a few isolated showers along I-10. Going to be limited at best. Limited at best. Roger Ramlicon, Bruce Derrick, I'm in Lake Nona. Should I prepare that? Bruce, nice. Love that. Kelly Ann Saborn Shaw. Hello from Canada. Kelly Ann, where in Canada are you, by the way, young lady? We do an international temperature flyby. We go globetrotting, so hopefully you will see your city on that temperature map here in just a few. Kelly Ann Saborn Shaw. I hope I'm saying Saborn correctly. There's a look now at the temps for tomorrow. Upper 80s, low 90s at the beaches. 93, 96 through the interior. We do the flyby for tomorrow. Oh, Barbara D'Souza, hear you. Thomas Perry. Northern Ontario, Elliott Lake. Beautiful country I hear up there. Al Pacino's your favorite actor. All right. There's a look at Orlando, Orange County, right around 95. Jumping ahead up north here to Winter Springs, Chuliota 95, Astor 95, Ormond Beach 88, New Smyrna Beach 89, and LeConte. Ouch, bad timing, says Cindy Edwards. Cindy, let's make the best of it, girl. 92 Denellen, 95 Umatilla, 94 in Bushnell, and then we head south to Kissimmee, St. Cloud, Point Siena, Kenansville, 95, 96, and 85 at Satellite Beach. All right, let's do this. Here's your launch for tomorrow. That launch is at 10:42. Hugs and kisses back. And a banana. Let's see here. The Godfather. Yeah. Jojo Hernandez has popped in. Good to have you, sir. So forecast for that looks good. A good day to be at one of the water parks. Maybe Volcano Bay is your deal. Well, look who made it in. Miss Tara Ellison Mears. Hello, young lady. Diane Irene. Tara, what was for dinner tonight? What did you make, or what did you get? Either or. And how was work today, by the way? 10 a.m. 83, noon is at 88, and then 3 o'clock temperature is coming in at 95 degrees. Karen Rasmussen, Rose Sheriff DeBoard, KK McCullough. The whole gang is in the house. You guys know my motto, too. Don't forget, sharing is caring. The more people we can reach by you fine young folks sharing these Facebook Live feeds, the more people we can put in the weather know. That's really why we do these things. And we know you have active schedules. Sometimes you're at your student athletes after school event, middle school, high school, college. Sarah Miller's in the house. Barbara D'Souza. Tracy's going minus 39 in Yakutsk, Hawaii. She's going 88. We need rain, says Rose. Rosie, I hear you, girl. Now remember, I just bring the forecast. Barbara has already shared. Thank you. Hello to you. This big ridge of high pressure is going to stay intact through Friday, then kind of get squished a little bit there over the weekend for Mother's Day weekend, cooling down just a scotch from the upper 90s into the upper 80s. Definitely a cooler beach day, says Beverly. Cindy Edwards to Barbara D'Souza. True. Hopefully it's fixed by August. Yes. Get that AC fixed, gang. Get her done. Get her done. Get her done. All right, back to the maps here. Robert DeBrucke, yes. John Blackham. from Utah tonight. He's rubbing it in. Oh, by the way, before it's all said and done, we may see 18 records tied or broken over the next couple of days. Now, when we take a look at the records for Thursday, Orlando within 1 of tying, Sanford tying, Leesburg within 1, Daytona Beach tying, Melbourne within 2. So yeah, you can see. Joseph Yaptango. Oh, they should be. Chris, nice. All right, let's talk feels like temperatures here. Kent Bazan. Tracy, yes, we are in Fuego. There's a look there. Look at those triple-digit feels like temperatures tomorrow. Ay, caramba. And then Thursday, upper 90s to near 100. Triple-digit feels like temperatures. Friday, once again, feeling like triple-digit feels like temperatures. There you go. 18 records. Yep, that's right, Beverly Uber. All right, a couple heat safety tips for everybody. There you go. There it is. All right, Faith Richard has popped in. Natalie Ann, sharing is caring. You are correct. There we go. So drink plenty of water, take a lot of breaks, don't overdo it, cool off, move indoors if feeling the effects from the heat. Don't forget our fine little furry friends. They have feelings and impacts from the heat as well. You guys know that. Too many numbers. Sydney, nice. Correct, Natalie, and well said. Drink plenty of water, help keep your pet's temperature down. Limit time on the asphalt, pet paws, can burn, panting, difficulty breathing, and weakness. All in the house. There we go. There it is. Saturday, Sunday. There's front nearby. A little bit cooler. Not cool, but a little bit cooler. Emphasizing 90 to 89. As you can see right there. That. There you go. A little wimp. Yeah. Nice, Faith. Renee Thurn, KK McCullough, all in the house. Temps this weekend, 90 and 89. Mother's Day forecast looks like this: 68 at brunch. Or that should be 70. Well, no, that's. Let me see. Yeah, no, that's right. That's right. I had to think about that for a second. 11 o'clock there. I'm going to double check one thing here real quick. While we do this, MLB, we're going to do Mother's Day Sunday. 79. Let's do this. 79. Brunch. We'll do brunch at 11 o'clock. Change that time and fix that. There we go. 79. Much better. There we go. Let's see here. All right. Here we go. 25 days to the start of hurricane season, in case you missed it. It's going to be active. Average is 14.73, 14 named storms, 7 hurricanes, 3 major. Colorado State's calling for 23 named storms. 11 become hurricanes, 5 major. West, 16 to 20, 8 to 10 hurricanes, and 3 to 5 major hurricanes. Why? La Nina is forming. That creates less wind shear, creates higher storm formation, and we have very warm ocean waters across the main development region, which extends from the Caribbean back towards the Cabo Verde Islands off the west coast of Africa. And then in the Pacific, you tend to see blue, or the cooler waters, a sign that La Nina is in play. So that's what we're watching there. Now, storm names: Alberto, to William. One of the things I wanted to show you tonight from the tropics is this. A lot of wind shear, a lot of upper level wind shear there across the tropical Atlantic. And there's the Saharan dust now trying to make a charge into the eastern Caribbean. While that's going on, one of the big issues here has been a lot of rain in Puerto Rico yesterday and today. So you got to watch that here for our friends down that way. It's a very, very heavy rain. Here's your radar. So there we go. It is a lot of rain. Waters have cooled a little bit there north of Puerto Rico, over towards the Bahamas. Near shore, though, temperatures have been warming. As you can see right there, Gulf is now up to the 82 degrees. All right, 7-day forecast here. Let's take a look at that. Kind of show you what it looks like. Justin Gigliotti, hey, excellent. Good to hear that, Justin. Brian Kelly, Purchaseman General. Yes, way to go, Faith. Terry Throws, Lindsay, JoJo. 90, I think it's 98 cents. There you go. Gary Hicks, Lulu Ferry Lopez, Natalie Ann. There it is, 95, 97, 95, 90, 89, 89, and 85 degrees. All right, let's take a look at the national temperatures here. Get everybody on board with what's going on. Chilly out west, comfortably mild Minnesota through northern New England, hot. From Dallas to El Paso, Vegas, and here's the weather players on the map. Let's see here. Lulu Ferry, good and heavy there. Let's do this. Got some active weather here. Chicago, Cincinnati, some storminess there. There's your upper low. Snow on the backside into Montana, Idaho, Wyoming, Utah, Colorado, Nevada. In fact, we take a look at that snow map here. Let me show you this. Come on now. There it is. Lots of snow out west. Elizabeth says she officially has a suntan. Excellent. Here we go. All right, so that's a look at that. All right. Let's go globetrotting now, shall we? And there we go. Point Barrow, Nome in the 20s. A little late season cold spell. Occuton, 32, freezing. Fort Ross coming in at 17. Baker Lake, 23. Igloo, 28. The Nain Airport, freezing. Moosonee, 34. Ottawa, a balmy 64. Saskatoon, 64. Calgary coming in at 41. Sacramento, 75. El Paso at 88. Monterrey, Mexico, 95. Havana, 82. Santo Domingo, 73. Belize City, 86. Panama City, 84. Bogota, 59. Lima, Peru, 66. Santiago, Chile. Wow. There you go. 85 in Tamarino, yeah. There it is. Down in Costa Rica, 85. Marginal risk for you. There we go. Punta Arenas, 37. Cape Town, Chile, 57. Luanda, 81. Niamey, 90. Rabat, Morocco, 52. Cairo, Egypt, 68. Baghdad, 64. Berlin, 48. Oslo, 46. Moscow, still at freezing. Muscat, Yemen, 95. Surgut, 34. Bishkek, 54. Bratsk and Yakutsk and Ulaanbaatar, mid-40s. Gail Copeland Duncan. What am I munching on? I am munching on some English Dairy Milk Buttons by Cadbury. Notice I haven't yawned much because of the sugar rush. Orlando Brenes, I'm doing good. Down in Costa Rica, look at that. Got 2 people from Costa Rica watching tonight. Love that. Beijing 66. Natalie Ann, behave yourself. 2 hours behind me. Okay, so it's 6:19 in the evening. Sapporo 46, Tokyo 68, Manila 90, Makassar coming in at 82, Alice Springs 63, Adelaide 70, oh, Christchurch Hobart Airport 54, over towards Hawaii. Check it out. Over towards Hawaii. There you go. Let's see there. Dina Androsov. Hawaii's looking good. All right. Today, the big story was the Heat. Officially 92 in Orlando, marking the 8th time this year that we've hit 90 or better. And tonight, yes, it is. Yes, it is. Chris Pierce, you are well. A couple showers here, right along the Lake Volusia County line. For now, other than that, things are fairly quiet. So, without further ado, I will wrap this up with a look at the 7-day forecast and then let you folks do your Tuesday night thing. There you go. There it is. 95, 97, 95, 90, 89, 89, and 85. Again, 95, 97, 95. 50% chance for showers and storms on Friday, late in the day. Weekend looks good for Mother's Day, tad cooler. And then Monday and Tuesday, 85 to 90 with a 50% chance for showers and storms. All right, gang. I'm going to go ahead and let you do your thing on this Tuesday night. Hopefully you'll see me tonight at 10 on the CW18 and or 11 on West 2 News. Always nice chatting about the weather with you guys. You guys are rock stars, but you knew that. And I'll be right back here again tomorrow night, right around 8. Until then, ta-ta.